8th chapter, differential equations. This chapter belongs to mathematics 2B, part 12. Last part completed infinite homogeneous differential equation model problems in terms of dy by dx. Next, today discuss one more infinite differential equation model problem, that is solve 1 plus e power x by y whole dx plus e power x by y to 1 minus x by y whole dy. See students, here e power in terms of x by y. In terms of x by y, you cannot divide it in the form of y by x. That's why this differential equation converted to in terms of dx by dy. That's why this value goes to here. You get questions. 1 plus e power x by y into dx is equal to minus of e power x by y into 1 minus x by y whole dy. After that, minus multiply internal. 1 plus e power x by y into dx is equal to e power x by y, x by y minus 1, minus into minus plus, minus into plus minus into dy. You can write dy by dx form, dx by dy form, dx by dy, dx by dy equal to e power x by y into x by y minus 1 by 1 plus e power x by y. See students, here this is differential equation. In this differential equation, in the form of dx by dy, dx by dy, it's which form dx by dy? Put x is equal to vy, put x is equal to vy, then v is equal to x by y, then dx by dy is equal to v plus y into dv by dy. This is the second model. In this model problem, only one problem in test book, only that is this one. This only dx by dy model problems. That's why you can write this. Suppose this is 1 implies dx by dy value is v plus y into dv by dy is equal to e power x value is vy by y into x value vy by y minus 1 whole by 1 plus x value is vy by y get cancelled. Remaining constants v plus y into dv by dt equal to e power v into v minus 1 whole by 1 plus e power v. After that, this v goes to here. You get constants here y into dv by dy equal to, you can write e power v into v minus 1 by 1 plus e power v minus v by 1. After that, y into dv by dy equal to, you have to take LCM. 1 plus e power v is LCM, e power v into v minus 1 minus v into 1 plus e power v. After that, y into dv by dy equal to, multiply the e power internal, v into e power v minus e power v minus v minus into plus minus v into e power v whole by 1 plus e power v. Here v into e power v, v into e power v both are cancelled. Remaining constants y into dv by dy is equal to minus e power v minus v by 1 plus e power v. Here in this two term you can common minus, you get constants y into dv by dy equal to minus of e power v plus 1 by 1 plus e power v. After that, cross multiply students, you get y into dv equal to minus of e power v plus 1 by 1 plus e power v into dy. This dy goes to here into dy. See students, this y goes to here, this total terms in terms of y. This v terms goes to here, this terms total in terms of v. That's why you can write 1 plus e power v by v plus e power v, or v power v plus, here you can common v, this is v, you can common minus here e power v plus v, e power v plus v. Here e power v plus v, you can write v plus e power v, both are equal, a plus b equal b plus a or not. That's why you can write here minus is there, that minus you can write minus 1 by dy. Here you can write dv. After that, integration on both sides, you get constants integral 1 plus e power v by v plus e power v dv is equal to minus integral 1 by y dy. This derivative numerator is there or not? Check. V derivative 1. E power v derivative e power v is there. That's why we can write log of mod of v plus e power v is equal to minus 1 by y. 1 by y given nothing but log y plus you can write log c. Understood or not, students? Understood or not? After that, this minus goes to here. Log of v plus e power v plus log y is equal to log c. Log a plus log b, what is the formula? Log a into b. A nothing but v plus e power v into v y is equal to log c. Log get cancel. V plus e power v into y is equal to c. What is the value of v, students? Here function in terms of x comma y, but answer in terms of v comma y. That's why you can write v in terms of x comma y. V equal to x by y. Substitute x by y plus e power x by y whole by is equal to c. Take LCM. Y is LCM. X plus y into e power x by y whole by is equal to c. X plus y into e power x by y whole by y into y. This y get cancel. Remain constants. X plus y into e power x by y is equal to c. This is the solution of b. This is the solution of b. 1 plus e power x by y dx plus e power x by y 1 minus x by whole dy equal to 0. Solution is x plus y into e power x by y equal to c. This is the only one model, that is dx by dy model, only one problem. Next problem is, this model problem are very important in intermediate public examinations. What is that problem? Give the solution of x into sin square of y by x dx is equal to y into dx minus x into dy, which passes through the point. That curve passes through the point is given, that is 1 comma pi by 4. First of all, this solution you can find that solution passes through the point 1 comma pi by 4 substituted. First of all, what is the given that differential equation is what here? X into sin square of y by x dx is equal to y dx minus x dy. Y dx minus x dy. After that, you can write this value goes to here, this dx value goes to here. You get what, students? Here this value goes to here, x into dy is equal to y into dx. This plus value goes to that side, minus x into sin square of y by x into dx. See, students, here sin square of in terms of y by x is there. That's why you can form in the form of dy by dx only. Y by x cannot be divided x by y form. That's why you can write in these two terms, dx can be common, x into dy equal to y minus x into sin square of y by x all dx. After that, we can write in these two terms. Here you can write this value, this term, this value, this. You get portions. Dy by dx is equal to y minus x into sin square of y by x all by x. All by x. This is the equation 1. This is a homogeneous equation. The degree of y is 1. The degree of x also be 1. Here also be 1. This is also be homogeneous first degree equation in terms of dy by dx. That's why you can write put y is equal to vx. Put y is equal to vx. Then v is equal to y by x. Similarly, you can write dy by dx equal to what? Dy by dx equal to v plus x into dy by dx. This is the value. In this value substituted in equation 1 plus dy by dx value is what? V plus x into dv by dx is equal to y value. Y value what here? Vx minus x into sin square of y value vx by x value is x all by x value is x. After that, you can write v plus x into dv by dx. See, students, here x is the total x can be common. X into v minus sin square of here x get cancel. You could be understood or not? Here x is there. Here x is there. In this two term x can be common. V minus sin square. Here these two x common v whole by x. X get cancelled, remaining what remains? V plus x into dv by dx is equal to v minus sin square v. V minus sin square v. Here plus v both are cancelled. Remaining what remains? Remaining x into dv by dx is equal to minus sin square v. Minus sin square v. After that, you can get this value dx here. X into dv equal to minus sin square v into dx. This x goes to here. This sin square v goes to here. You get 1 by sin square v. This sin square goes to 1 by sin square v dv equal to minus 1 by x into dx. This x goes to here. Reciprocal, simply reciprocal, or that RHS part numerator goes to LHS denominator. That's why you can write 1 by sin square nothing but cosecant square v dv is equal to minus 1 by x dx. Here this function in terms of v with respect to v. Here also we will function in terms of x with respect to x. Integration on both sides with respect to integration with respect to given variables. Integral cosecant square v dv minus integral 1 by x dx. What is the integration of cosecant square v? Cosecant square v integration cot v minus cot v. What is the integration of cosecant square v? Minus cot v is equal to minus log x plus c. You can write integral constant c. Total log terms is that you can write log, but here only one log term is there. This value goes to here minus cot v plus log x is equal to c. What is the value of v? What is the value of v, students? Here v value is y by x. Minus cot of y by x minus cot of y by x plus log x is equal to c. This is the equation number 2. This is the solution of the given differential equation. This solution passing through equation 2. In equation 2, passing through which point? Passing through 1 comma y by 4. X value 1, y value 5 by 4. Substituted in this equation, you get what friends? Minus cot y value is 5 by 4, y x value is 1, plus log x value is 1 is equal to c value is c. You can find c only here. Minus cot 5 by 4, log 1 value is 0 is equal to c. Minus cot 5 by 4 nothing but cot 40 by how much? 1. You can write minus 1 is equal to c. C is equal to minus 1 substituted in equation 2. Substituted in equation 2. 2 implies minus cot of y by x plus log x is equal to c value is what here? Minus 1. Total you can common minus, you get what? Cot of y by x minus log x. In this two term, minus common is equal to minus 1. Minus get cancel. Remaining what students? Cot of y by x minus log x is equal to 1. This is also the solution. Or cot of y by x is equal to 1 plus log x. This is also the solution. You can write any one. In this model, problems are very important. 7 marks in Indian public examination. Only 2 questions is there. This is one. Next homework problem is given. Problems are homework problems. First one, find the equation of a curve whose gradient nothing but slope of the tangent is given. dy by dx is equal to y by x minus cos square of y by x, where x value, y value both are greater than 0, nothing but positives, and which passes through the point 1 comma 5 by 4. This is the very important before model problem. That's why first of all this is in the form of dy by dx. We can write y is equal to vx, then v is equal to y by x. Next, dy by dx is equal to, you can write v plus x into dv by dx. These two values are substituted in this equation. After that, you can find the solutions. That solution you can write x value is 1, y value is 5 by 4. You get the c value. That c value substitute a solution, you get the answer. This problem you can do that the previous problem model. This is a hint of this problem. Second one, solve x into secant of y by x whole into y dx plus x dy is equal to y into cosecant of y by x whole into x dy minus y dy. Simply you can multiply these two. x into secant of y by x into y dx plus x into x square secant of y by x into dy is equal to x into y xy into cosecant of y by x dy minus y square into cosecant of y by x dx. Understood or not? Here x into y you can write this one also with xy. After that, this dx goes to here, this dy goes to here. You get what students? Xy into secant of y by x into dx. This minus goes to here plus y square into cosecant of y by x all dx is equal to here given about xy into cosecant of y by x dy. This plus goes to that side minus x square into secant of y by x into dy. See students, in this two term dx common, in this two term dy common. You get what? Dx common. xy into secant of y by x plus y square into cosecant of y by x completed first one. In this two term dy common xy into cosecant of y by x minus x square into secant of y by x completed. Here in terms of y by x is there, you can write dy by dx equal to how much? Dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to this value goes to here, this value goes to here. You get what? xy into secant of y by x plus y square into cosecant of y by x all by this value goes to that side. You get what? xy into cosecant of y by x minus x square into secant of y by x. Understood or not? This is in the form of dy by dx. Put y is equal to vx you can write in this equation y is equal to vx and v is equal to y by x. Last term dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx you can write in this equation. You get easily variable separable method. After that integration you get solution. This is the end of the second problem. This is the unexpected 7 marks problem.